apple, cinnamon, sun-dried apricots. When this cooks, the aromas of fall will fill your home with warmth and with love. I'm Mika from mikasttinykitchen.com. Ready? Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When I came to America, I saw Julia's cooking show. Been cooking this recipe ever since with changes over the years. That's cooking, right? Here's what you need. The rest is in the show notes too. In this version, I use a prepared pie crust dough you can make your own if you have time. Quarter the sun-dried apricots. Prepare 3 apples. I use Golden Delicious. They are sweet and tart without bitterness. Cut them in half. Remove the core, peel by hand, and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Place them in lightly salted water and drain. This prevents changing color without adding lemon. Add a quarter cup currants and the apricots. Add 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon. Mix until the apples are coated and set aside. Put half cup of Apricot Preserves into a small saucepan. We want fruit. Maybe your local farm makes a good one. Warm slowly as it begins to liquefy. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Add 1 tablespoon Cointreau. Line your baking pan with parchment paper. Unroll your pie crust. Leave a 1.5-inch border. Then evenly brush the pie crust with the glaze. Add the fruits mixture, making a thick layer. Fold the edges towards the fruits as shown here. If there is any leftover fruits, place it in the center evenly. Add 3 or 4 dollops of butter. Sprinkle sugar on the edges. Place in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 40 to 45 minutes. The fruits should be tender and the crust brown. Remove. Using the remaining glaze, generously drizzle it on the fruit. Don't forget to brush the crust too. You may need to warm the glaze. Mine was covered on the stove and stayed warm from the oven heat. Add 1 cup heavy cream to mixing bowl. Beat on a low setting. Add sugar to your preference. Beat until thick cream emerges, as I show here. Cut on a plate. Serve with whipped cream and a sprig of fresh mint. This is such a beautiful, scrumptious dessert, and it smells delightful, so sweet. The glaze and the fruits go so well together. I can't stop eating. Wonderful for an autumn dessert or anytime. I hope you will try it, and thanks for watching my video.